In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize products in your Shopify store efficiently. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your existing inventory, organization is key to having a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify account. Head over to the My Store section on your Shopify homepage. It's the hub of your operations, where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Products tab. This section is crucial as it's where all of your items are listed, and having them organized properly sets a solid foundation for your store's success. Now, within the Products section, you'll find different status options: active, draft, and archived. These options help you categorize and manage your products. By clicking on active, you can view all the products currently available on your store. It's essential to routinely check this list to ensure everything is updated and as it should be for your customers. Next, let's explore the draft section. This is beneficial for products that you're still working on. Perhaps you're awaiting better images or final pricing. They go here. This is an excellent place to keep products until you're ready to make them visible on your website. Similarly, the archived products are those that you're not currently selling, but don't want to remove entirely from your system. Keeping products here is a great way to have a record without them cluttering your active inventory. Think of it as a storage room for items you're not displaying just now. To further manage your list, the Export option allows you to download your product list to your computer. This can be especially useful for backup purposes or when analyzing your data in external software. Conversely, if you have products listed in a spreadsheet that you wish to import to your Shopify store, use the Import function. This feature comes in handy during bulk additions or when migrating from another platform. And if you ever need to perform varied actions on multiple products at once, the More Actions dropdown offers numerous options like easily duplicating or deleting products. Use this to streamline your management process effectively. Finally, when adding new products, simply click on Add Product. This function is straightforward and allows you to enter detailed information like product description, price, images, and more. Maintaining consistency in how you fill out these details will enhance your store's professional appearance. I hope this guide helps you get a handle on organizing your products within Shopify, making your store run more smoothly and efficiently. If you follow these steps, you'll have a much easier time managing your inventory, which will ultimately lead to a better shopping experience for your customers. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!